Guys, I finally did it. I got my show up ready for Saturday and Sunday. It's a little tight in here. I used to have a 10 by 20 tent until the tornado took it out. These are some of my newer pieces, as well as some of my favorite older pieces. Definitely favorite one there. I'm not sure I can get back far enough to show you everything that's on the sides of this centerpiece, but I'll try. There's a lot of paintings here. You know, I have no idea how many. There's a crooked one. I think tomorrow morning when I set up for the juried show, I'm going to have to level a whole lot of things. Here's the back wall. I'm not sure how far I got with that. Everything on the back wall is hung with plastic coated wire, which is a really nice thing because it doesn't slide. I'll go back and show you those again. There's a bunch of landscapes. It's one of my waves. And we're almost done. I love that. I know it's weird, but I love it. Last but not least, wish me luck. I'll see you guys anon. Nice to not knock that table over. If I keep backing up, I'm going to do it. All right, I'll see you at the show. See ya. Bye.